Lockdown has been imposed in the entire state. The unbearable hunger has forced the starved migrants to return home. We have been serving across the globe and will help you pave the way for a better society, like we have been paving the way for your engine, like humanity surpasses all boundaries. So should quality, we have been renovating ourselves and are now available near you, all the way from U.A.E to your doorstep. Vestel lubricants, your companion in the long run. Now in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, in stores near you.